Hello friends, today we are going back in time to the old days. I have seen things come and go, but there are some that really live for a very long time and they never go away. One is the humble clay pot, but you can't use it until you seal it. You seal, because there could be some very small cracks that are there. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's go do it outside. This is life in a real typical African village. Although we have modern houses, we still use traditional things like this, like the pots. So let's look at our fire. We have just lit the fire. I think you can see that. I have two fires outside. I couldn't use the inside, the other one, because I know the pots will stay for a long time. So, and we need to use the fire inside the other kitchen. So here I have my banana stalk. This is the sealant. The sap in the banana stalk will act as a sealant. So let's go through the process. So I'll remove this to be so that I can get where the inner part of the stalk, just like that. So this is what I'll use, this one, and then I'll chop. The banana fiber has a lot of water that makes up the sap. So let me do this. So this is the banana fiber, these ones. I'm going to put them inside the two pots and then place them on fire, and I'll put just a little water, just a little, so that it boils. I leave it to boil. This one is a natural sealant that has been used for ages, and we still do it. So we leave it to boil for hours, for maybe about 2 hours, and then I'll keep stirring the pot using a wooden spoon. I hope you stay around so that you can know the importance of using clay pots. In a typical African village or African home, you'll always find a pot. This one is a bit slow. This one Let me stir this. You see, it has reduced. I'll add more fiber, banana fiber. So we have our pot here that we cooked the latex and the fiber. We are going to empty here like that, and let it cool. So we are going to let it cool a bit, and then what I'll do is that I'll take this, the fiber that I boiled, and smear around the pot. So because we have to seal from inside and also outside. So what we are going to do is to smear all this like that. Just smearing on top. I don't know whether you can see that. You see? That is how we are doing. We are going to do that all. We are going to seal everything. Just like that. So our great grandparents used to use the pot in a variety of ways. One is for preservation. They used to preserve things like alcohol in it. They also used to drink from it. That is in Africa. And all cooking was done using the humble clay pot. So I don't know what you think about using the clay pot. Now the latex will seal all the holes, and you can use it for many years without it going or getting spoiled. But the pot needs a lot of care. You should really know how to care for it. Okay, have a look at it. You see? I hope you can see it. And also inside, well sealed. Now this one is now ready to be used. This other one is still cooking, so it is a little bit slow. So I'll do this later. Reasons why it's important to use a clay pot. Clay is alkaline, and this is a natural, it has a natural alkalinity which neutralizes the pH, and whatever you cook in it gives very good flavor. That is the first. The second reason why I like to use clay pots, because it has a superior heat retention. When you cook in it, you really use less fuel because it retains a lot of heat. Even if I touch it now, it is still hot. Now the third reason is for moisture conservation. You use little water, and whatever you cook in it, it retains a lot of moisture, especially when you cover it. When you cover it using a covering, a lid. Now, the fourth reason why I like to use clay pots, it's because of its earthy aroma. The earthy aroma gives food a very good flavor. I don't know whether you have tried it. If you try it, you will see that it is very different from the non-stick pots that are used or that are found in shops. The fifth reason I like using the clay pot, it is because of health safety. It does not leach. It's not like the sufurias, we call it in Swahili sufurias. So they don't leach after getting the heat. So you realize that you don't have a metal in your food. The last reason why I like to use the clay pot is because of fuel efficiency. You get to use very little fuel because when it has gotten the heat, it does not lose. So after covering it, whatever you had put in the pot just continues to cook. So, did I convince you or did I inspire you to use clay pots instead of non-stick pots that are used nowadays? This has been used for years, for many years. Our great-great-grandparents used. So we can still continue to use it. We still use it, especially when you cook maize and beans in it. But you can cook anything in it, even ugali. So, until next time, have food made from the humble clay pot. Clay pot is really embraced in Africa. It is widely used. It is also used in Europe and also in South America. So and also India, if I'm not wrong. So let's embrace the clay pot. The major reason for using the banana fiber and the latex and boiling it to remove the latex is so that it seals the cracks. If there is any crack in the pot, it is going to seal it. And you can use this pot for very many years. If you have tried using the humble pot, you'll never forget to eat the food that's made from the humble pot. The major reason I use these pots is because I believe the non-stick pots have a lot of metal. So I hope I convinced you to use this humble pot. Try it and you'll never forget the food that has been made from these humble pots. Try this once. You'll never eat food from non-stick pots. So let's embrace the humble pot. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because many of you have subscribed but did not put the notification bell. So see you in the next video.